Welcome back. Assuming you've customized the squeeze page and you set your automation rule, what you can now do is you can get to the thank you page. Now you'll notice here that there's an automation rule associated with the thank you page also. However, we have already taken the step to make sure that the individual gets access to the course when they submit their name and email address. When we are choosing a template, we want to make sure that that's going to communicate all of those instructions to the customer. And so we're just going to edit this page. And we want to make sure that, again, in this section, we let the customer know that they need to check their email so that they will get access to the course. We can say other things that we want them to know about us or about their experience. But it's at this point that this is the last thing that the customer will see before they get access to the email giving them the course. Now, you'll notice here on this individual page that there's an element that says subscribe to my newsletter. Obviously, you don't want to have that element on your thank you page. So you'll need to customize the thank you page according to the elements that you want on there and what you want the customer to see. And the WYSIWYG editor makes this fully customizable. You will just make the changes and then save them to make sure that your customer will get access to them. Okay, so that thanks, and I will see you in another video.